Hey everybody, Chris here. So why is Dogecoin falling? We're going to talk about that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. And Dogecoin and the crypto market not being very nice on Chris Pax's birthday today. That's right. Celebrating birthday today, and we are going to actually have some fun on the live stream on Monday afternoon. More Dogecoin to give away. That's right. Got Dogecoin giveaways, doing only good every day, spreading the love of Dogecoin as we continue to do despite falling prices. Why are the prices going down? Let's get into it. Let me show you the charts and the news. I'll show you what I'm looking at. We start here looking at the current Dogecoin price at 23 cents. That's right, 23 cent Dogecoin. We did dip down to 22.7 overnight. So if those of you are looking at picking up more Doge on a dip, that was a good buying opportunity last night. Still 23 cent Doge, not bad. We were at 24 cents yesterday overnight. Big dip. Bitcoin also had a dip as well. Bitcoin had a bigger dip yesterday morning, had recovered back over 96,000, but then last night dipped and brought the whole market down with it. Came down even lower to 95K, again flushing out leverage longs. Those lower lows take out some of those long leverage trades. That's still where we are until we get some huge momentum in the crypto market. Right now, yeah, kind of a lackadaisical trading. Volume is generally down, which makes it a ripe opportunity for the market makers to continue to dump prices, get more of that leverage down. How low is that going to go? We'll be looking at that. We do have a couple bright spots. Here's HBAR. Yes, Hedera. ETF was applied for Hedera, and Hedera is having a nice little run this morning coming up. But really, that's about it. Mutable X is about the only other one that's showing some green candles on my watch list. But everything else is pretty much down. That's kind of what we have. We have XRP can't hold 250, still in this, we were in this sideways zone, and now XRP is actually falling back underneath that zone that we had been tracking. Again, Chris calling XRP a stable coin again. But that's how XRP trades, and it's going on this long sideways journey, but now actually dropping below that. And we'll continue to watch that in the live stream as well. But what's going on overall? Look, it's not just Dogecoin. And I know there's a lot of bears out there just saying Dogecoin's going to 20 cents, 12 cents, 10 cents, single digits. Look, XRP, Solana, ADA in deep red amid $250 million market sell-off. That's right. Liquidations across various crypto assets. That's what's going on, guys. It's not just Dogecoin. Not just Dogecoin. We already had Saturday's sell-off, $556 million in crypto liquidations. And Sunday, they just piled more on. So, yeah, what's going on? We talked about the Bybit hack, over the weekend. That happened on Friday. There's still kind of some lingering effects over that and the hackers on that. The overall sentiment is still down. Overall, the economy not doing great. Still inflation fears. What's going on? The tariffs coming at the end of this week. There's some deadlines on some threats that Trump has made. So all of that is just kind of weighing on the market here. So we will watch that during the week. Friday, the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index unexpectedly fell, and inflation forecasts have increased. So that's where we are. Bearish sentiment right now overall. And it's not just Dogecoin, but Dogecoin is down 30% now for the month of February after a 4% January up. And we were feeling pretty good about that despite a number of the pullbacks that we had in January. It still ended the month in green, but February is a big red. And we haven't seen this large of a drop in February for Dogecoin since all the way back in 2014. So this is not keeping in line with any of the previous years of trading for Dogecoin. So again, wasn't expecting it. I know some of you bears are saying, see, I told you so. And I'm sure there'll be some in the live stream today, but it's my birthday, so be gentle on me, will you? So why is Dogecoin falling? What's going on with Doge? Doge bears remain strong, and I know I hear the bears. I still think this is all temporary. It's an extended pullback in an overall bull market. I still believe that. Long to short ratio for Doge reads below 1, indicating more traders are betting for a correction. That's right. Still more long leverage trades, even though some have gotten wiped out as prices have come down. There's still more longs being traded, not as many shorts, which generally means that there is a positive outlook going forward. Or they're just gamblers and they just keep throwing money at it. I don't know. Are we going to go to 20 cents? Look, we look at the Doge chart. We come out to the 4 hour. We have our cats, right? Let me bring this into the 1 hour here. And we have the two cats that we drew. A similar pattern, and it could have drawn another one here, but it's just like, how many cats do I really need to draw? But Doge has not been at this price since we had that February 2nd and 3rd sell-off because of the tariff fears. And then before that, we have to go all the way back to November. That's right, we go back all the way to November. And that would be November 9th was the last time we were at this price. And we were eyeing this 20.2 line right here, which was the line from back early November that we had that big tariff dip, came all the way down to 20.2 cents. And that was a huge leverage flush there. Is that in jeopardy now as we start to see this drop down? Will that come into play? That's something to look for as we continue to watch how Dogecoin reacts. But again, I mean, Bitcoin is kind of doing the same thing. Big drop and somewhat of a recovery. Bitcoin holding up now a little bit better than alts, which we typically see, but still in jeopardy of some bigger declines. Dogecoin drifts south. Will it bounce back? Here's the TLDR. Too long, didn't read. Dogecoin's value drops to 23 cents, experiencing an 8.5% decline amid market skepticism and bearish trends. The long to short ratio, we'll be watching that. Dogecoin moves within a descending channel, facing a rejection at 27 cents. We will see whether we get that move up to that descending channel line. 20 cent support level is critical. Again, that was the early February low that we had from that tariff flush. Resilience is crucial amid current bearish conditions. Sellers are dominating the trading volume, of course. Every time there starts to be a dip, we see that volume ticking up. I think a lot of that is shorting from the market makers and the exchanges. A close above 30 cents could shift market sentiment, but caution prevails until then. Historically, Dogecoin has weathered significant corrections, hinting at potential resilience and recovery. And we see that again and again. Dogecoin's roller coaster. Will it bounce back after 4-month lows? Again, we can go through this TLDR here too, but there are some bright spots here. Certainly, the Dogecoin ETF has sparked some optimism, but we know that's a ways off. That's not happening anytime soon. So we're like, that's too far away. Can't worry about that right now, right? Can't worry about that. But there are other things helping Dogecoin. So Trader Allen is looking at these sort of consecutive falling wedges, and after each falling wedge, there is a price run-up that we saw late 2023, early 2024, and then, of course, November of 2024. And we're now in another falling wedge. Again, higher lows on each of these. So the chart is looking positive for that next big move up. Trader Allen is also looking at ETH and saying, look, you zoom out and you look at the big picture of ETH, and ETH, every time it does one of these bounces, it is actually in higher lows going back all the way to 2022, bear market. Is ETH starting to wake up? And with ETH waking up, does that start to trigger alt season? Crypto Rover, looking at the same thing on ETH, but looking at it a different way, looking at sort of the resistance line and how ETH, again, on these 4-year cycles, still has this target to go, which could be over 10,000 for ETH. But we're here. We're down here still in ETH. And we're experiencing something very similar that we had in 2020 into 2021, right before ETH took off. Could that bull run for ETH be starting as well? And then Trader Allen looks at this 100 EMA, or exponential moving average, which puts a little more weight into more of the current trading, is how the EMA works. And we're bouncing off of that right now. And as we bounce off that, could we have this big run coming? And what's the big one? This is it. Dogecoin aims for worldwide adoption with new strategic partnerships. We will talk more about what these strategic partnerships could be during the live stream. So join in on Monday afternoon as we celebrate Chris Pax's birthday. And we have Dogecoin giveaways. And we'll talk about those strategic partnerships. So that's what we have going on for Doge right now, guys. Hey, leave a comment below. Let me know. Are you bearish? Are you bearish about Doge? Are we going to see another dip yet again? Even lower? Right now, 22-cent Doge. That's looking very tasty for buying the dips. But leave a comment. Let me know. Give the video a like if you haven't already. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.